Your air conditioner might be cooling poorly because dirt is blocking airflow, and cleaning it takes only basic tools. In this video, you'll learn the safest way to clean both indoor and outdoor air conditioner components step by step. Before touching any air conditioner part, switch off the thermostat and disconnect electrical power to avoid accidental injuries completely. Open the indoor unit carefully, remove the air filter, and inspect it for dust, pet hair, and debris buildup. Rinse the filter with lukewarm water, gently scrub stubborn dirt, then let it dry completely before reinstalling it. Use a soft brush or coil-safe cleaner to remove dust from the evaporator coils without bending the delicate fins. Check the condensate drain line for clogs, because blocked drainage can cause water leaks and moisture problems indoors. Remove leaves and debris around the condenser, then rinse the fins gently using low-pressure water from the inside outward. After everything is dry, reinstall the filter, restore power, and run the air conditioner to confirm stronger airflow performance. Regular air conditioner cleaning improves airflow, supports sufficient cooling, and helps your system operate more reliably during hot weather.